Sus the Phoenix. Thank you for watching my videos, and well done for achieving so far in HSK exams. I hope you like this writing series. In this video, I will explain a grammar point and the key vocabulary, mention common mistakes, and hopefully the color-coded translation and pinyin will be helpful for you. This is HSK 3 Writing Series Part 3. There are 10 questions from this video. Here is question 1 to 5. You can have a try first, then come back to check the answers. 其实 actually. It can go before the subject or after subject. 认识 to know. 其实我们已经认识5年了 or 我们其实已经认识5年了 Actually, we've known each other for 5 years now. The each other is implied. 跟什么什么一样 is a structure. 一样 the same. Same as whoever. 跟我一样 same as me. If it's 跟她一样 same as her. So in this sentence, these two subjects can be swapped around. 她跟我一样喜欢看电影 She likes films, same as me. 比赛 match or matches or competitions. 次 frequency 第一次 first time. 拿 to fetch. Underneath na it's got hand, so something to do with hand, to fetch. 就 is quite complicated word, sometimes a lot of different variations. Here, 就 is give you a sense of earliness. For example, na to get the number 1, get a first. So give you impression that these sentences, and he got a first earlier than expected. So earlier, didn't think he would get first in the first competition. 他第一次比赛就拿第一 Okay, 就 goes before the verb, give you that sense of earliness, complete the verb earlier than expected. He came first in his first competition. 一定 definitely. 这次 the 次 here is a measure word for the exam. This exam 这次考试一定没问题 This exam definitely won't be a problem. 伞 is umbrella. It's like a picture of umbrella. 把 here it just simply is a measure word for the umbrella, not the bar structure. 我去商店买把伞 I go to the shop to buy an umbrella. This is a question 6 to 10. Again, have a try first, then come back to check the answers. 复习 to revise or revision. 我每天复习2个小时 I revise for 2 hours every day. 锻炼 to exercise is a verb. Exercise 身体 is your body or health or physical. So here 锻炼身体 is exercise your body. Okay, 多锻炼 is to exercise more. So 多锻炼 goes before the 锻炼。我应该多锻炼身体 I should do more exercise or I should exercise more. 附近 nearby. The 家 here is simply a measure word for shops. 学校附近有家小超市 There is a small supermarket near school. 环境 environment. 旁边的 is next to. Here 饭馆旁边 is next to the restaurant, probably sounds better as surrounding area of this restaurant. Similar to 附近的、旁边的、附近的 is the same. 这家饭馆旁边的环境真美。The environment near this restaurant is so beautiful. 数学 math, mathematics. 化学 chemistry. 多了 is much more, so you should go after an adjective. 难多了 much more difficult. It is 好多了 much better. 我觉得数学比化学难多了。Or you can switch 数学 and 化学 around. So more chemistry is more difficult, then math is fine too. 我觉得数学比化学难多了。I think maths is much more difficult than chemistry. This is the end of the video. Please give me a thumbs up and comment below to give me some incentive